I was born with the spirit of sin. That's why people call me the seer.
Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are watching this video today. You see your guy, your friend, the mentor, the seer. Okay, today guys, I want to talk about some specific things you really need to know. But before I go into today's topic, I would like to tell you guys some things. Do you know that as a spiritualist, you have to like use alligator pepper at least once in a week to activate your spirit. Like at least once in a week, put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth, chew that seed of alligator pepper, blow it on your body, face up, blow it up, and you keep saying, I activate my spirit, especially as a spiritualist after you had sex with anybody. Okay, today I'm going to teach you little thing you can do to make your shop, as in to draw customers to your shop. It's very, very simple. So what you need to do is that you get yam. When you get yam, buy yam. You must not buy yam, the one that will be enough to go around sprinkle your shop. You buy yam, you cook that yam. After you cook that yam, you add salt to it. Then you add red oil to it. Then native chalk, you scrape native chalk and add it to that yam. Mix everything together. That is the yam, cooked yam. Remember, before you add those items, after you cook the yam, you are going to mash the yam, like blend the yam. Use spoon or knife to scrape, like blend the yam, mash the yam so that it can become powder or pieces. Then that's where you now add red oil. Then you add salt. Then you add that's the native chalk. It must not be accordingly the way I measured, but those items has to be there. After you have mixed everything together, put them in a rubber or in anything you can put them. Then buy a cup. You bought your cock now, okay? Then you are going to keep it on the ground. Then hold that cock. The cock, not inside though, beside the rubber where you put the yam. Hold the cock and make prayers on the cock. That's local cock. Say that it is the voice of a cock that is recognized amongst chicky. So as a result of this, it is my shop that will be recognized among other shops in my area. Okay, so you make prayers on it, how you want it to be, how fast you want everything to be specific. Because when you are praying and you say you want something and you do not give time frame, so that thing might delay because it can come at any time. You did tell the universe, this is the time I want it to come. That's why it's very important when you are praying, be give it time spin, be specific. Okay, so make your prayers on it. So when you are done, okay, when you are done with everything, then you kill the cock. There, the blood will be on the ground. Then you can cook the cock, but make sure you finish the meat that same day. Finish the meat that same day. That's all. How this one work is that if anybody have done any work that is working against you, this will neutralize it. Or if it is a family issue that is blocking your shop, this will neutralize it. So this will help to bring out your shop. Okay, when you are making prayer, pray godly prayer. At least pray that I want to say. Don't pray that other people's shop should be broken. I just use that as an example. Let my shop be recognized. Okay, so pray heartfully, godly. Okay, so that is it. So anything you don't understand in this video, let me know. I will definitely get back to you. So after you have made the prayers on that the yam stuff of a thing, so you go and sprinkle it in front of your shop down to inside your shop. So if there's any charm or anything at all that's working against your shop, that charm is gone. That is how this particular one works. If there's anything that is making you not to sell at all, that thing has been destroyed. At worst, the way the blockage is no longer there, you will sell. If it is a business, if it's a shop, you have customers to patronize you. It works for